Hi, my name is Deisy Perez. I am 37 years old. I am a business administrator. I am studying industrial engineer at UNAD. I live in Granada Meta with my family. He is my husband, Jose Luis Vargas. He is an industrial engineer. She is my hidden daughter, Luisa Fernanda Lopez Perez. She is 14 years old and a 10th grade student. She is my youngest daughter, Paula Valentina Lopez Perez. She is 11 years old and is a student of the 6th grade. They are my parents. He is my dad, Jose Perez, and she is my mom, Maria Campos. This is my family that I love with all my heart. They are the ending of my life. 2 months ago, I changed city for work reasons, and my new house is white as a large kitchen, living room with a beautiful balcony, and dining room, 3 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, 4 windows and 1 patio. In the curtains, 3 is a washing machine. It also has a beautiful garden. I wake up at 5 o'clock on weekdays. I have eaten a cup of tea and 2 eggs for breakfast. I have a shower and head dress. Finally, I brush my hair and put on the makeup. At 6:45, I travel by motorbike to work. My work starts at 7:30 and ends at 16 o'clock. At 12 sharp, I took a break of 30 minutes. Then I take a nap at 4 o'clock. To tasks at 16 a.m. I go and visit my daughters and my parents at 8:30 p.m. I return home. After having dinner together with my husband, we watch television or a series on the computer. We tell each other about the day and about 11 we to bed. I usually read a light before sleeping.